Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Rechargeable arc lighter from the company, I believe it's SUPRUS, S-U-P-R-U-S. I might be pronouncing that wrong. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So I don't think I'm going to be able to get this close enough to where you're going to be able to see all of the writing. There is a lot of text on the back of this box, but at least we can open it up and take a look at it. It's a little instruction pamphlet and warranty card. Thank you for your purchase card from the seller. I'll say this, their boxes are really well done. I do these unboxing videos all the time, and most of the time this stuff is just kind of thrown in. It takes a regular Android charging cable. Hopefully you're going to be able to see that all right. But they provide it for you. They give you this little one. And then the lighter itself. Feels nice. I've got some of these. These things are great. I've got the little small ones, and I wanted one that was longer for getting hard to reach places like lighting a fireplace, something like that. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's not charged, but to activate it, all you're gonna do, slide up your power button, and then you would have a flame or a shock right here through the middle. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Hope it helps.